Ned Woko, Bonny Ton of Dinama Ukwuani, and Okune, so was Anioma. So Ukwuani will be the first to provide governor. So by all some of the Buddhas of Konotonic, Unachara Kuniti Bekoke. Ukwuani Biania, because the Emunum. Anioma Bukeni, and the zone to southeast. Onya Brandon on yet near the Ocean history, Jagu history of Ma. Ufosisi in the Omobia. I am not going to that state, no south, one no no. But I'm signing your market, one no. And we let the local plan I had to go with no Ukwuani, and then we marry a year, sir. Anyway, IPP, I didn't walk. Anyway, man, I didn't wake go. Anyway, got some working in Luanyaka, and on the south, then I'm not changing your need, but oh no, I don't know, but on honor them. All don't know, but in the didn't go, or quite don't know. But I was Anioma, I knew our governor, I knew our own senator, I knew our House of Representatives, I knew something that didn't couldn't score. Anioma should be our priority, and zone to southeast, no any other option, because the slot for a state is for southeast, not for south. Because you know, within which you, Niku Kanako, Oro Samad, Kuzi Kane Samado. Obuke Okowa Nemo, Niko Kowajiki Likon at all. Okowa is almost irrelevant in the politics, gradually. Whenever a South ambassador, Ojekazoku, 1 something trillion, ego ndo Ukwuani, ego oil, maneka. Ebiko China. She most traditional ruler in Nigeria there. They are all political. None of them is holding any divine store. I'm not going to talk of Asaba. He's a politician. He's working as a king, he's working under Okowa. Somebody who cannot bring ordinary a factory of cassava into his communities, telling us where Anioma should be allocated. Who is he? It's Asagba of Asaba. He is not holding any divine position. It's a political position. He wants to be recognized. He wants to be relevant in Nigerian politics, which is airing is just common opinion, just like any other person. There's nothing serious about what he has said or he should play any role in our idea. No. We are the Ukwuani people who make decisions, not Asaba of Asaba. His land is not contributing more than us, nor is position higher than our Paruku. Our Paruku is higher than any king in Nigeria. You cannot be a Paruku if you're not to 80, 90 years. We practice communal governance. Each and every community has their king. We don't have one general king now. I am a king because I'm a king priest of Asagba, one of the most ancient deity in Africa. I'm the king priest. I'm not a king to rule everybody, no. I'm to govern the divine home and to give the best advice to the community and the cities. Integrity lie in my door. Honesty. So I don't play politics, no. I can only contribute to build. I'm not interested in making profit. Like all this Oba or Ni or whatsoever they are doing. No, I don't do that, no. They have status, they have position, but they cannot bring anything good to their community. Asaba of Asaba has the mouth to say anything about Anioma. What is his community contributing to Anioma? You should not, don't listen to him. It's just his airing his opinion, just every other common man. There's nothing special about it. Wearing regala sitting down with empty head does not bring anything to Anioma. Yes, I'm saying it. Azuko goes in the Konmatu and Equal. Ukwuani Banize, Marino Uno. Mana can only Bob no Ukwuani, only Naposa, only Kukone Kurisho, Ukwuani, the came in Ogekem. Oh, my for. So I call it Shagware. Yoi.
Thank you, Chief Cliff Chijine, the king priest of Ukwuani. Oya dili man eke, dili man oli, dili man afo, dili man anko. You know, so many people don't understand the Igbo kingship and how it is being practiced. When you hear us say that Iwenweze, people don't understand. Let me give you a historical background so that you understand how the Ukwuani practice their kingship. Majority of Ukwuani people does not have a hereditary kingship, and it's not by election, it is by age grade. And this is what is being practiced in the entire Igbo nation before the coming of the Europeans. Before the coming of Europeans, the way Igbos make someone a king is by age grade. Even to today, some quarters in a village still practice eldership by Jopala. The oldest man become the Jopala. And I've said it that D means master. Diokpala, master of the sons. Because Okpala bụ nwokenye. Okpala ukwu is the first. So ihe a na-eme bụ Diokpala means the master of the sons. So every sons and age grade has their most elders. And that's how kingship are enthroned on every villages in Igbo land. It was the British government that came and could not penetrate the system, and decided, when they finally penetrate the system, they decided to install kings that we are practicing today. Before, when they say Iwenweze, it means that nobody owns the kingship, because somebody might be the oldest man, let's say 99 years old, and is crowned a king today because the one that senior him just died. The man might actually last only 1 week. Only 1 week after they crown him 99, into don't die. The kingship will leave that house and that quarter and go to another quarter and another family, because maybe that is where they have the oldest surviving man again there. Maybe that one self now 85, and I be the oldest in that village as of that time. He becomes a king. So kingship before does not stay in one person's house, does not come by voting, does not come by hereditary. It is when the British came, they start installing most of these kings now, because they need control. So these people we call kings now, they came as a result of the political way, and that's why you see that they are paying them salary by the government, because right from the British time, the colonial master, they have been paying them salaries to watch over other people, to watch over the towns. So this man is part of the Ukwuani people are part of the Igbo clan today that practice this kingship. And this is another evidence to let you know that we have nothing in common with other people who are claiming that we are from there, like people like Benin or Igala. Because what Ukwuani practice is the proper Igbo kingship, which existed from before the coming of the Europeans. Now this man has come out to refute what Asaba of Asaba said, and has supported that creating in Anioma state should be zoned to southeast. Because some of you are saying, no elderly man. You don't see an elderly man, well educated, advanced, and a king priest in his own place. He's saying what all of us have been saying. Because tomorrow you say Ukwuani are not Igbo. There's no Ukwuani elderly man that is speaking for Ukwuani people. That I've told you people, you are following social media content creator, those who want to cash out. People like us don't look for money on social media. We are here just to say the record straight. And when they are now asking you which elders day where they talk, not everybody they fear. This one is one of them. Please share this video and let's support Anioma state to be created and zo to southeast. Ishiagware.